Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Club Hills, local and long distance movers near me. We provide the best skilled long distance moving services to help make your move a lot easier. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. Our moving services give you all the best choices to personalize your move for your specific needs. Hiring our team guarantees you receive access to all the common long distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Whenever you need to work with an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the expense can seem to be difficult. However, after a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. A good moving company will help you preserve time no matter how far you're moving. You will also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our skilled movers offer effectiveness with every move. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. A move that might take you a weekend to execute, we can handle in just one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Club Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.